guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new video. So for today I filmed this makeup look right over here for you guys. I've just been playing so much with color recently on my channel, so I just wanted to take it down a notch and just do something more simple and wearable. So I came up with this makeup look right over here for you guys. I would say it's like perfect for spring, as well as like a nice fresh spring makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you guys never miss another upload. And if you guys want to see how to create this makeup look, then just keep on watching. So I already have my eyes primed. I use the Anastasia eye primer. Recently I've again been loving this. It really just sets your base and your eyeshadows really pop. For transition, I'm just going to take my JACLYN Volume 2 palette and I'm going to pick up the shade Perfectionist right over here. And I'm picking that up on my Morphe M441 blending brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and start working this in my crease, back and forth in windshield wiper motions from my inner corner to my outer corner, and really just buff this in. So to warm up this look, I'm going to take the shade G Money, which is this color right over here, and I'm again taking that on that same Morphe M441 blending brush. So I'm taking this color and I'm putting it right in my outer V area and blending it inward to my inner corner. Just keeping it fairly low, not taking it too high up in my crease. But again, just blending that in with my transition color. Next, I'm going to take the JACLYN Original palette and I'm going to pick up the shade Mocha, which is this color right over here. And I'm picking that up on my Morphe M433 blending brush. And I'm just going to put this color right in my outer V area and just smoke this out. Now that I have the shade Mocha down, I'm going to pick up the shade Central Park on that same M433 blending brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and sort of darken this and put this right sort of on the outer V area and just really darken this and really just blend this in. I'm going to go ahead and take the Anastasia eye primer again. I'm just going to take a little bit of this and just put that right where I left it blank. I'm just going to put this sort of right there, just because when I go in with that gold shadow, I just really want that to pop. I'm just going to go back in with that M433 just to blend that line out a little bit. So for the lid color, I'm going to be taking my Huda Beauty new nude palette. I'm obsessed with this palette. The colors are so pretty and so gorgeous, and we're going to go in with the shade Crave. That's that really pretty gold color right there. I'm just going to go ahead and pick that up on my finger, and I'm just going to start pressing that right in that inner corner area, like where I put that primer down. Now I'm going to go ahead and work on the other eye. And that's pretty much it for the eyeshadow part. It's a very simple eye look. Okay, so for liner, I'm taking my Anastasia black liquid liner. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner off of camera and then I'll be right back. So for lashes, I am using my SANZA Beauty lashes in the style North today. For once, I'm not using Shisha. I'm going back to a different lash. This is the style North. These are so full and so wispy again. They do go from short to long, so that's what I love about it. While my lashes are getting tacky, I'm just going to go ahead and give my lashes a coat of mascara. I am using the Too Faced waterproof mascara. I'm not putting a lot on, just a little bit, so that way my natural lashes can blend with the fake ones. So with this makeup look today, we are using as minimal products as possible. I'm going to work on moisturizing my face. For that today, I'm just using one thing, and I'm using the Summer Fridays Jet Like mask. Again, because I'm only using one moisturizer, I wanted it to be something that's very, very hydrating. And plus, before I sat down to film, I washed and I've already done my skincare. I'm just going to go ahead and stick on my lashes as well. I am taking my OG primer. This is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, and again, you guys know I love this stuff. It's super sticky and your foundation really just adheres to it. And I'm taking my Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation in the shade Sand, and I'm just going to go ahead and just draw a couple lines. So today, again, because we're using just minimal products, we're not using a lot, I'm just going to stick with one foundation, which is this Hourglass one. And because I'm just using this one foundation on its own, I do want it to be really full coverage, so I'm going to go ahead and do a first layer, and then I might do a second layer as well. And to buff this in, I'm using my Morphe M439, which is just a really big buffing brush. For concealer, I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is in the shade Light Beige. I'm just going to go ahead, just pop this right underneath my eyes, the sides of my nose, my cupid's bow, chin, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. And then while my concealer is sitting, I'm going to go ahead and cream contour. And for that, I'm taking my Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade Light. And I'm just going to go ahead and just cream contour. And I'm just going to blend this out with my beauty blender. To set everything in place, I'm taking my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder in the shade Banana Bread, and I'm just going to go ahead and just press this. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm taking my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder in the shade Banana Bread and my JACLYN Hill Powder in the shade Carrots. Again, I have it mixed already, so I'm just going to go ahead and just use that to set my entire face. So while I'm baking, I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line. I'm going to take the shade G Money first on this clean M433 blending brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and just buff this in my lower lash line. And again, you can use as much or as little product as you want. I'm taking the shade Mocha from the original palette, which is this color right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and just darken that a bit. I'm just going to go ahead and dust away any fallout. To finish up my contour, I'm taking my Marc Jacobs TAN-TASTIC bronzer, and I'm just taking this again on my M530 contour brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and just go over the cream contour that I did. And I love this bronzer, it's just so natural. And then for blush, I am taking my Tarte 12-Hour Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Party on my Morphe G4, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this on the apple of my cheeks. To highlight my cheekbones, I'm taking JACLYN Hill's highlighter in the shade Balm, and I'm just going to go ahead and just apply that on the high points of my cheeks. I'm absolutely addicted to this highlighter. It is so beautiful and it's perfect. And I'm taking this on my Morphe M510, and then just apply a little bit on the tip of my nose, down the bridge of my nose. On top of that, I'm just going to take the JACLYN Hill Flash Palette, and I'm going to pick up the shade Mesmerize and just pop that right over. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows off of camera, and then I will be right back. To highlight my brow bone, I'm just taking the shade Gleam from the JACLYN Hill highlighter palette, and I'm just taking that on my flat definer brush that I always use. I'm going to apply this right at the high points of my brows, and then just blend it down. I'm just going to go ahead and throw on some lower lash mascara. And then to finish off the lips, I'm just going to take my all-time favorite nude lip combination, which is the Anastasia liquid lipsticks in the shade On Mute and Sand. To set my makeup in place, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Infallible Makeup Extender Setting Spray. I love this stuff. It just really keeps your makeup in place all day long, so I'm just going to go ahead and set this in place. And that is it. This is the finished makeup look, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Before I close out today's video, I just want to give a huge shout out to Christina Alessandro. She is such an amazing subscriber and such an amazing supporter. Thank you so much, Christina, for leaving me comments and liking my videos and, you know, just encouraging me. It just really means a lot. Thank you so much. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Again, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so you guys never miss another upload. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!